After steaming, rapid cooling locks in freshness and protects the delicate crab meat. Automation ensures precise cracking without damaging premium meat fibers. Advanced separation technology increases yield while reducing waste. Every batch is manually inspected to meet export-grade quality standards. Weight grading ensures uniform packaging for global markets. Temperature-controlled chilling preserves freshness before sealing. Workers sort crabs carefully by size to ensure uniform cooking and packaging. Fresh crabs are selected daily to ensure consistent quality in every batch. Sorting ensures uniform cooking and consistent portion sizes. High-pressure washing guarantees hygiene and cleanliness of every crab. Steaming enhances flavor while preserving natural texture and color.
Precision cracking ensures efficient extraction without damaging delicate crab meat.
Rapid cooling preserves tenderness and prevents overcooking. Rigorous quality inspection guarantees only premium meat proceeds to packaging.
Sorting by size ensures even cooking and uniform packaging.
Workers sort crabs carefully by size to ensure uniform cooking and packaging. High-pressure washing guarantees cleanliness and hygiene for all crabs.
High-pressure washing removes ale impurities, keeping the crab shells clean and fresh.
High-pressure washing guarantees that each crab is thoroughly cleaned.
High-pressure washing ensures every crab is thoroughly cleaned before processing.
Crabs are steamed to perfection, turning their shells vibrant red and preserving natural flavors.
Crabs are steamed evenly to preserve natural taste and color.
Crabs are steamed to perfection, enhancing flavor and shell color.
Fresh crabs are selected for the next production cycle to ensure consistency.
Rapid cooling preserves texture and prevents overcooking. Rapid cooling prevents overcooking and preserves texture.
Rapid cooling ensures meat remains tender and shells do not overcook. Crabs are carefully cracked to extract premium meat without damaging the delicate texture.
Each batch undergoes rigorous inspection to meet premium standards.
Rigorous inspection ensures only the highest quality meat proceeds to packaging.
Precision cracking extracts meat efficiently while preserving its delicate texture.
Automated cracking machines extract meat efficiently without damaging delicate texture. Strict quality inspection ensures only the finest crab meat is packaged. The freshly extracted crab meat moves along the line for precise vacuum sealing. Every batch undergoes strict quality checks to ensure premium standard. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and enhances shelf life for consumers.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and flavor for the consumer.
Automated labeling ensures traceability and compliance with safety standards.
Automated labeling ensures every pack meets safety and regulatory standards.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and flavor for the consumer.
Automated labeling guarantees accurate batch tracking and product safety.
Boxes are packed carefully to maintain quality during transportation.
Carefully packed for shipment, maintaining quality from factory to table.
Packing ensures the crab meat stays fresh until it reaches the customer.
Organized pallet stacking ensures efficient warehouse management.
Trucks arrive to transport the crab meat safely to ports and distributors. Pallets are transported efficiently, ensuring timely delivery to global markets. Efficient logistics move pallets seamlessly to shipping containers.
Every shipment is verified and loaded into temperature-controlled containers to preserve freshness.
Containers are sealed tightly, ready for safe transport to global markets.
Trucks arrive to transport the crab meat to ports and distribution centers. Our state-of-the-art facility combines hygiene, speed, and efficiency at every step.
Our factory operates on a large scale, combining efficiency and hygiene at every step.
Here, premium crabs are carefully selected in cold water tanks to maintain freshness. Fresh crabs are selected to maintain consistent quality for each production batch. Sorting by size ensures even cooking and uniform packaging.
High-pressure washing guarantees cleanliness and hygiene for all crabs. Steaming enhances flavor while maintaining texture and color.
Rapid cooling locks in freshness and prevents overcooking.
Rapid cooling locks in freshness and prevents overcooking.
Rigorous inspection ensures only the highest quality meat proceeds to packaging.
Vacuum sealing preserves flavor and extends shelf life. Automated labeling guarantees accuracy and compliance with regulations. Careful packing ensures the crab meat stays fresh until delivery.
Efficient pallet management enables smooth logistics and timely delivery.
Pallets are loaded into trucks for safe and controlled transportation.
Our modern facility ensures consistent quality from live crab to packed product.
Fresh crabs are selected daily to ensure consistent quality in every batch. Sorting ensures uniform cooking and consistent portion sizes.
High-pressure washing guarantees hygiene and cleanliness of every crab.
Steaming enhances flavor while preserving natural texture and color.
Precision cracking ensures efficient extraction without damaging delicate crab meat.
Rapid cooling preserves tenderness and prevents overcooking.
Rigorous quality inspection guarantees only premium meat proceeds to packaging.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and extends shelf life for consumers. Automated labeling ensures accuracy and compliance with regulations.
Careful packing maintains freshness until the product reaches customers.
Organized pallet stacking ensures efficient warehouse management and shipping readiness.
Pallets are carefully loaded into trucks for safe transport to distribution centers.
Our advanced facility ensures consistency, hygiene, and efficiency from start to finish.
Selection of fresh crabs starts the next cycle of processing for premium output.
Sorting ensures uniform cooking and portion sizes for quality control. High-pressure washing guarantees cleanliness and hygiene for all crabs.
Steaming enhances flavor while preserving natural texture and shell color. Rapid cooling preserves tenderness and prevents overcooking.
Precision cracking machines extract meat efficiently while preserving quality.
Rigorous quality control ensures only the finest crab meat proceeds to packaging.
Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and flavor for the consumer.
Automated labeling ensures accurate tracking and compliance with regulations.
Boxes are packed with care to maintain freshness and quality.
Efficient pallet organization enables smooth logistics and timely delivery. Efficient pallet organization enables smooth logistics and timely delivery. From live crab to packed product, our facility maintains the highest standards of quality and hygiene. New batch selection begins the next production cycle for consistent quality. Sorting ensures uniform cooking and packaging standards.
High-pressure washing guarantees hygiene and cleanliness.
Steaming preserves flavor, texture, and shell color for premium quality.
After steaming, rapid cooling locks in freshness and protects the delicate crab meat.
Automation ensures precise cracking without damaging premium meat fibers. Advanced separation technology increases yield while reducing waste.
Every batch is manually inspected to meet export-grade quality standards. Weight grading ensures uniform packaging for global markets. Temperature-controlled chilling preserves freshness before sealing.
Vacuum sealing protects flavor, texture, and shelf life.
Each pack is hermetically sealed for maximum food safety.
Metal detection ensures zero contamination before export. Full traceability is maintained from ocean to consumer.
Insulated cartons protect freshness during long-distance shipping.
Secure sealing ensures damage-free delivery.
Robotic palletizing improves efficiency and load stability. Products are stored in sub-zero environments until shipment.
Smart logistics systems manage worldwide distribution. Cold chain transport keeps crab meat fresh across continents. Shipment secured and ready for export. From precision processing to global delivery. A facility built on hygiene, technology, and trust.
Environmental responsibility is part of every process.